Hello, in this video I want to show you how to install Rare and Zip packing or unpacking app on your Samsung Galaxy S23 Plus. And to do this we'll need to open a Google Play Store. Here try to find an app called Rare, it's R-A-R, hit the search button, now select it and press on the install. When it's done, click on Open, grant all file access for the Rare app and go back. Now allow to send notification and dismiss this notification. From here your app should be ready. And that's it for this video, hope you like it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.